फोटो खिंचो भाई। चलती वीडियो जो भाई।
Halfway. Bear with me, bear with me. Sorry, bear with me, bear with me. Auckland, bear with me. Thank you! One person did it. Actually, for the grand finale, to help me up onto the unicycle today, I'm going to need some help. To help me up onto the unicycle, I need the help of a nice, strong audience member volunteer. If you do want to help me out, just keep your arms down and avoid eye contact. Oh, here we go. We've got these gents, they've been sitting down watching the show. Here we go. Sir, do you reckon I can get your help today? Don't worry, I'll do the hard bit. If you don't want to, you don't have to, that's fine. Consent and all, that's perfect. What about you? Can I get your help today? Perfect. What's your name? Matt. Can you please have a big round of applause for Matt? Come on, Auckland, be welcoming, yes. Alrighty, Matt. I'm going to get you to hold on to the unicycle for me, up here with your left hand. Perfect. Your right hand, meanwhile, is going to go nice and high, just like that. Awesome. High five, Matt. Woo! Alrighty. Now, there is a lot of me to get up on a lot of unicycles, so I'm going to get another strong volunteer helper, maybe from out this side. Do you reckon I can get your help today, sir? Awesome. What's your name today? Amy. And what was your name yesterday? It was awesome. Awesome. Amy, big round of applause, please. Alrighty, you're going to come in from this side. Left hand down here, right hand up here with Matt's. Just right up under that bolt and right up under Matt's hand. Perfect. Now guys, just hold that for 10 minutes. I'm just going to grab a coffee and I'll be right back. I'm kidding. I only need one last helper today. Someone to pass me these once I get up there. Do we have anyone else that wants to be part of the show? Anyone at all? Yes, here we go. You've been helping out lots. What's your name, dude? Sky. Awesome name. How old are you, Sky? He's only 9 months old. No, I'm kidding. 9 years, right? Same age as me when I was 9. Crazy. Now, this is going to involve fire and knives and danger. So, Sky, I'm going to need a... What? Scott. Sorry, Scott. Scott, I'm going to need a responsible adult. Do you know any responsible adults? No. No. Just for future reference, if you're out in public and someone asks you, I'm assuming this is your son? Yeah. And someone asks your son if they know responsible adults, don't mouth to them, no. Scott's mum, can I get your help today, please? Awesome. Do I detect an accent? No? You're from here? Oh, perfect. What was your name, sorry? Erin. Can we have a big round of applause, please, for Erin? Scott, you mark your corner of the rope, sit back down there, make sure the rope doesn't go anywhere, and Erin, you come forwards and you grab these, all right? Perfect. Left or right-handed? Right, so 2 in your right hand, 1 in your left. We're on stage, so face the audience, relax, smile, perfect. And just juggle, they love it. Oh, we love it. Before we do that, I'm actually going to put some fuel on this so we have nice big flames for the grand finale. Just while I'm doing this, if there is a gap in front of you, fill it up. You can come right up to the rope, and the closer you come, the bigger I will look. Here we go. Fueling it up just like that. Now Erin, I have another very important job for you today. I am going to get you to light the torch for me. It's very simple. I have a windproof lighter so the wind isn't going to bother us, and if you follow my instructions everything will be okay, alright? We're going to safely put the fuel back in the case. These are going to go in there as well. In your left hand, the lighter in your right. When I tell you, you're going to hold the lighter up. It's a little bit windy today, so we are going to put the protection hat on. When I tell you, you're going to bring the lighter up in there, click it, you'll hear it going. Yeah, you will hear it going. Hold it to the wick. Once it's lit, bring the lighter away, give it a couple of seconds just to catch, and then take the hat off. If there is fire in the hat, put it down, it will choke itself out, okay? Fantastic. Do you understand? You think so? You're filling me with confidence here. Are you ready? Yes, perfect. Matt, Amy, I'm going to climb up. This hand will come out straight away. Then we'll let go here, and lastly we'll let go up here, okay? Understand? Lovely. Are you guys ready? Perfect. And audience, what about you? Are you ready? Here we go, grand finale. I'm going to hold on up there. Beep, beep. Yes, take that foot out of the way. We're going to lean the unicycle forwards like this. Perfect, perfect. Just hand down a little. It's going to come out very, very soon. 3, 2, 1, that comes out now. We get on the seat. You can let go of the unicycle. Yep, 1, 2, 3, let go. If you can't do this, you should be clapping. Yes, Matt, you can go back to your seat. Thank you so much for your help. And same with you. It's done it. All right, hold that up nice and high. Thank you so much, Erin. Pretend you're the Statue of Liberty. I'll grab that off you. Cool. The lighter can go back with my hat. And next, I want the knife. Pick it up by the black handle, not the sharp blade. Thank you. Again, hold it up nice and high. And I will grab that off you. Lovely. And lastly, the big spiky club of doom. Erin, thank you so much for helping me out today. Nice and high. There we go. Give Erin a huge round of applause. I could not do my show without their help. All right, here we go. The grand finale where I'm going to juggle the flaming torch, the really big knife, and the big spiky club of doom, all on top of this really tall unicycle. Audience, are you guys ready to see that? Let me hear you say yeah! Yeah! If you're going to go absolutely crazy, clapping, cheering, and whistling when it happens, say yeah! Yeah! Then if you're going to give me all your money, say yeah! Yeah! Sweet, good to know. It is time for some honesty. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is my job. Coming out here, performing this show, doing this trick for people just like you, it is how I make my living. Auckland Council, they are awesome and they let me use the space. But the thing is, no one actually pays me to be here today. The only way that I pay my rent, buy food, make my living is from the kind donations of my audience. And today, that is you guys. So, after this trick, I'll be standing down here with my hat in my hand and my heart on my sleeves. If you've enjoyed my show, if you think this trick is pretty cool, if I've made you laugh or smile today, that is your cue to come forwards and drop something into my hat. The great thing about my show, it's entirely up to you how much you think it is worth. But if you're not quite sure, don't panic, I'll now tell you. If you give me $5, I can put petrol in my car and I can get back home today. If you give me $10, I go home and I'm happy. I think that is a fair price for a show like this, for a trick like this. If you give me 20, I go home really happy. That's a fantastic price for a family or for a group. And if you give me $50, then you can take me home and I will make you very happy. I know not everyone has money and that is okay. If you don't have money, the ATM is just across the road there. And I also have this QR code on my suitcase. You can scan it with your phone and it does let you pay me through PayPal, Google Pay or Apple Pay. At the end of the day, this is my job. I love what I do, but I can't do it without your support. So enough talk, let's get on with it. Auckland, are you guys ready to go absolutely crazy? All right, clapping, cheering and whistling in 3, 2, 1, go crazy! Matt, take your hands out of your pockets. If you clap like that, you're going to squish something very important, okay? Everybody, hands up where I can see them. Unfold your arms and go absolutely crazy, for real this time. This is the hardest trick I know how to do. It has taken me over 6 years to learn, and it is the end of the show. Everybody, a big countdown with me now. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Auckland, go crazy. Oh, come on, guys, I'm doing it. This is incredible. This is amazing. This is really hard. Hup, 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 hup. I did it. Yay! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Lucky. That has been my show. Have you guys enjoyed it?